Creations are out of all lemons and oranges, and this one, it says, is a very important god. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. You see me? We're out in the rain. It's raining, but we're in another city at a lemon festival, which is super adorable. Everybody is here. Baby's there, Tyler is there, uncle is there, and I don't know where is auntie. Auntie's somewhere around here, but we're gonna try and vlog for you as much as possible. We're just gonna show you what we can because it's raining and your girl ain't about to get her camera wet, okay? Tyler? Ty, seem like stone in his shoes. Tyler, what happened to your shoes?
Coucou. Ça va, un petit sourire. Tyler.
Put on your shoes. What happened to your shoes? Put on your shoes.
C'est pas qu'on voulait marcher là-dessus.
Non, il y a des... Tyler, don't go in the water. So these creations are out of all lemons and oranges. And this one, it says, is a very important god. And the topic this year is Bollywood. And Bollywood, you get to understand, have to do, is like Hollywood in India. And this is another god right here.
This one is a little monkey, well, a big monkey. Look at the head, it's moving.
That's pretty. You guys, that's 2 elephants. That's really pretty.
That's a temple. They say it's a temple elephant.
Oh,
so you see the temple on top of the elephant.
Cool.
See that?
Yeah.
So I think you can see better now. You're having fun?
Yeah, I just wish it wasn't raining, but I always love seeing this kind of creation.
That's well done.
Very well done.
They look like a bird going down. C'est quoi ça alors? C'est un oiseau? C'est un...
La peacock. Ils ont mis des plumes de pont.
Peacock?
Yeah. The bird that open up the big feathers.
Okay.
You always see it at the zoo.
Ok. C'est un faon, c'est ça en français?
Un pont.
Un pan. Un pan, oui.
Okay, we'll go right.
So they have things on the floor. They open the wings. So this is the same animal from behind. From the side, I mean. You can see all of these little details. That's crazy. So this one is like a musician with the snake. So I think at the bottom is a snake too. And you can see the palace behind. So this one is the palace of Maharaja, I guess. So you can see they are all attached with elastic. That's a crazy walk. That's a crazy, crazy walk. So I lost Babe, and I lost everybody. I lost everybody. So I think we're gonna see the temple from the front view. Look at these details. Wow. Look at this. You can see the back of this car, whatever they call that. Look at everything. It looks like a human head, the back of like the hair. Yeah, so you can see her ears. Oh, and you can see her eyes. So this is definitely the hair. Flower, elephant. I got Babe on the phone. She's far beyond us, and she says she have lion beside her. So let's try to catch the lion. This is very well done. Very, very well done. So that's the man hand holding the flower. And the elephant beside. Wow. So that's another elephant. So you can see there's a lot of elephant in the Indian culture, I guess. Flower, dancing, elephants. Let's move forward. Oh, so I guess this is the elephant that Babe was talking about. The lion. So she should be here. Just trying to look at all of these details. This is so pretty. So here's the lion. Joda Akbar. They say this is a famous movie. I don't know it. Maybe I should watch it. Ah ben on en a retrouvé un.
We are out here in this cold. This is something I've never experienced before. Bonjour. We're just taking a break to have some hot chocolate. So we're waiting on the chocolate to come. And of course, Stella is telling everybody this is mama and papa. You guys, cold. The day is cold, but we're having so much fun. Whew, I'm freezing.
Hi guys, so it's lunchtime. And of course we have our drink.
Il n'y en avait que 3, c'est ça?
Il y en avait 4.
4. Voilà,
And lunch is beef and mashed potatoes because the only menu. So we take what they have. The Italian's gonna have it fried. Look at these two. Run! Run! You guys are out here on the beach because the street march is gonna start in just a bit. They're out here gallivanting. And baby's up there where all those people are.